Hi there, it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a yarn over slip stitch. I love the stitch as a design element. It is great for adding a ribbing that looks just like knit to a hat, or as a really fun design element, like you can see I've used it here. Yarn over slip stitch and then work through the third loop on the next round to make this really fun knit look design element. If you work the yarn over slip stitch in turned rows and then through the back loops, you get this really lovely and stretchy ribbing. It's so stretchy and it looks amazing on hats or as like a sleeve cuff or on a mitten. You can also see it here just worked up in rows, but typically I tend to use it as a design element just on top of another row. So I've got a swatch that is single crochet. This is 10 stitches wide, and we're going to learn how to do the yarn over slip stitch. First, we're going to start by chaining one and turning our work. And it's worked pretty much exactly how it's described. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, bring up a loop, and then instead of yarning over again, we're just going to slip it right through. Yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop, and slip it through. It really is just that simple. I'll let you see how it looks from the top. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, draw up a loop, and then turn to slip it out through. Yarn over, insert your hook, bring up a loop, turn your hook, and slip it through. I find that turning my hook backwards helps me to hook only the working yarn and not any of these other loops that are on your hook. And there you have it, yarn over slip stitch. Now if we chain one and turn, this is what makes the yarn over slip stitch so unique. So you've got a row of stitches on top and you've got this third loop here, almost like a half double crochet that you can work into for a really cool result. So I'm gonna show you, if you work into here, a single crochet, pull up a loop, and just work in this third loop the whole way across, it is gonna give you such a cool effect on the next side. All right, I've just completed the last stitch. I'm gonna chain one and turn, and you can see our slip stitches, the yarn over slip stitches, have rolled forward to create this really cool knit looking line that's kind of textured on the front. Super cool. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more videos just like this.